Hey, this is Daniel Norton. I'm out here in the Hudson Valley with Marissa. And today we're making just really super simple portraits. I get this question a lot. You know, people want to go out and just enjoy the day and just bring their camera with them, and then they want to make a portrait. Like, how can I do that with all the equipment that you use, with all the stuff you carry? So while I am tethered, because I'm crazy, all you really need for this is a camera and ideally some kind of reflective material. So I like, this is the skin from the Lastolite Halo. I like this one because it's pretty tough and you can smush it down really small, and you can actually carry the frame pretty easily as well, which I also have with me. And all we're really doing here is that this picnic table is red. I don't really want the red iron to be bouncing back, right? So this is just to clean this up. I have a silver side too if we want it for the extra punch. And what we're doing is we're just watching the sun as it moves across the sky. I'm essentially setting it up so that Marissa's face is always going to be more or less in the shade, with the sun kind of either coming behind her hair or kind of coming a little bit from one side, giving us a nice kind of bright background in some options, some darker backgrounds in other options. It's giving us a lot of different expression that we can play around with, and it just makes a really, really simple shot. The main thing we're doing here is using what's called open shade. Open shade essentially means that it's bright and sunny out, you're finding a spot that has shade. It could be dappled shade like we have here in the woods. It could be shade under like an overhang. It could be on the other side of a building if the sun's like a little bit lower in the sky. It's essentially the shade that has a lot of light in it. So it's not like the dark, deep shade. It's kind of like a bright shade. Nice and even, nice and soft. It makes for great portraits, really easy. So we're gonna shoot some, and then we're gonna shoot tethered, but we're gonna shoot some, and then we'll talk a little more. All right, so super fun, super simple. If you're out here with just a friend and you want to make some portraits, all you really need is your camera, and you just want to look for the good light. When you're out kind of shooting with available or natural light, that's really your goal, right? You're going to be wandering around looking for a cool location, of course, but more importantly, cool light. Light that kind of can shape the face or make it nice and soft and even if you want it to be a soft portrait. Light that gives a three-dimensional look with the separation light or a hair light. These can all create different types of portraits, the same kind of stuff you do in the studio. And if you're just starting and you don't work in a studio yet, this is a way you can develop the kind of light that you like. Maybe you like a more moody light, so you're looking for those areas where there's lots of shadow and contrast. Maybe you like a big soft light. And this will help you when you go to buy your first lighting equipment. So I will put Marissa's information in the description. You guys can follow her. Be sure to follow me, Daniel Norton Photographer, and subscribe to Adorama TV. Ring the bell, right? That's always important. That way you get all the notifications for the videos, and I will see you next time on set.
Got a spider!
Oh my God.
Got a spider on yo!